So our previous video didn't go quite well, so we will do that modification of that program. So what we will do first is we will check out with wire spear. Fine. So this is a spear. I am doing it in the same program, just modifying it since it's just the same code with some bits of line changing. So this is the this is the spear. So it can be drawn with glut wire spear 0.5, 50, 10. Now suppose we do this. So it is kind of defining the radius, the bendness of it. Suppose we do 100. So these are the meshes. So if we are doing this in 100, this will be more spear like thing, and supposedly this is the radius 5. Okay, so this is the mesh 10. Fine. So this is how we can draw wire spear. Now we will see wire cylinder, glut wire cylinder 20, 30, 40, 30. Now what we can do is we will give this multi-port. Okay, fine. So we will start, we will resize the window to 250, 250, 250, and it will start from 100, 100, fine. What? Glut wire cylinder doesn't work. Glut wire cylinder. I don't know. Let's try something different. Let's try with glut wire tetrahedron. Okay. So one cool thing about CodeOS, the open source software for Visual Studio, is I have installed that Python binding which will take anything I am typing and it will show me the suggestion just like autocorrect or something. So this is a tetrahedron with 4, 3, 3 sides. So suppose we are doing this 10. Fine. 10, 10. Okay. So this is a cool thing. Wow. So glut, the buffer doesn't. Wow, this is so cool. Never tried this. Never tried this before. It's like the buffer is not refreshing or something, I don't know. It's redrawing everything every time the window is resizing. Wow. Okay, fine. Now let's try this. I think it shall work. I don't know. Am I doing something wrong? Fine, it doesn't work. I don't know. Stop this. Now let's try something different like glut wire cube. Okay, there are so many things. Glut wire torus 7. Shall it work? No. This function takes at least 4 arguments. Okay. Let's do this. It will be fine. This shall work, I think. I need to see the documentation. I will come back to this later. Glut wire cube. So this is drawing a cube of size. Wow, this is so cool. This is so cool, man. Shit. I'm loving this. So GL flush. So this is pretty much. Now let's do one thing. Firstly, we will check the documentation. Let me clear this. I think I'm doing something wrong here. Cylinder. So what we will do is we will check to draw. Oops. Draw cylinder with pyOpenGL. So when we get struck, we will just say it. I'm sorry if I am doing this, because if it is boring, because this is unprepared. I'm just bored, so I'm doing this. Wow. Are they drawing it from scratch? This guy is crazy. They're drawing it from scratch. I think this is pretty much, this works fine. So this is the Stack Overflow, this one. Just using this, Control A, Control B, Python, pyOpenGL. What? Wow. So they're drawing a cylinder with that. That's really cool. So they're drawing a cylinder with that. That's really cool. So using the reference, it will be there. Okay. But this is more advanced kind of thing. We will be coming into this later, but just for showing what they can do. So there isn't just Pygame. I'm closing this. So we will come to Pygame and this advanced topic later. So we have seen that we can do almost this stuff using pyOpenGL. Now in the next tutorial we will see how to draw points and other simple things. And one thing I can try now, but let's do it in next tutorial. So we will see drawing points and other stuffs. So thanks for watching this video.